Morning. We are doing a 2012, 2016, 2015 three-box break. We're also giving away the last three random spots in my pack giveaway. Pack giveaway. I will be doing over the break here. I will be having we'll call it break, because I need to pack stuff up for my move. I'm moving probably in about 2 weeks, and I need everything packed up and ready to go so that I can get it out. So we will be doing the hot pack giveaway, the custom packs, or whatever you want to call them, from now till then. Teams for this break: J-White, 49ers, Bucks, Chiefs; Steelers, Chargers, Packers, Jags, Bengals for Derek; Josh, Vikings, Pats; E, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Titans; Matt, Eagles, Cardinals; Tyler, Dolphins; Ryan, Giants, Falcons, Panthers, Lions, Broncos; Jesse, Bills, Browns, Ravens, Bears. Those are your teams. We're going to start with, we'll say, the least likely box to get a huge hit out of. That is going to be this 2016, because it's a retail. Other two are hobby boxes. Now, I will say the 2012 Press Pass box has redemptions in it, and Press Pass is totally out of business, and you will never get the redemptions. So I'm really hoping we don't get one, but I mean, might certainly happen. That's half the reason why the box is cheaper, I would imagine. So this one is going to have one auto, one jersey. Previously, we had bad luck with these. I had opened 2 of them. The last one, I opened one of these and one Mega, which are very similar. And I got Jacoby Brissett auto, Manuel Agba auto, Joey Bosa jersey out of it. So it was pretty good overall. So I don't know what to expect now. Here is the thick pack. I think thick pack's at the end. Good luck, everybody. We got a Devonta Booker rookie roundup for the Broncos, but these do not count as hits. And we got a Brandon Doty rookie card for the Dolphins. Then we're gonna have a pile of base: Ertz, Martin, Gronk, Murray, Gurley. Actually, 2 rookies is pretty nice in one pack. Unsung Heroes, Michael Bennett for the Seahawks. Alex Smith. And some base. Okay, so this is going to be, I think, your autograph pack. And the other one will be your jersey. Jason Witten, Red Zone. Thinking your auto might be this card. It is Vernon Hargreaves. Not bad for the Buccaneers. Going to J-Wags. Not a bad one. I think he was like a 3rd round pick, 2nd round pick. He was one of the Bucks' first picks, I think. The rest of these will just be base. Put Doty in a sleeve. I don't know if he's still a backup, but nice looking rookie card, at least for Tyler. And not sure who got the Broncos. But Devontae Booker. Go see who got the Broncos. Are going to Ryan. Devontae Booker, rookie. And I gotta go take the Buccaneers of the random. There will be 3 spots added to the random to go with the 7 I've already given away. And those 10 spots at the end, after I random the 3, will be randomed for draft order. You kind of want towards the first pick or towards the last pick, but it really will depend on how it works out. We got a Todd Gurley Extreme Team. I'm going to go to the back. And these will all be base. And then your jersey card is, crap card. And your jersey card is, nice, Jordan Howard. Nice. Rookie Force. Nice one for Jesse. Oh, you were looking for him. 2016 Jordan Howard. That's a nice one. The jerseys in here seem to come through pretty good. I still haven't got like a huge... I mean, Jordan Howard's a big player name, but he's not the biggest couple. Wentz, Goff, Zeke, Dak. Not one of those guys, but he's had a couple great years, so hopefully he continues. Nice card for Jesse. We'll take the Bears off the random. Chicago Bears. Okay, next, I'm going to do this little Sports Town box. Again, I'm so afraid we're going to get a really nice auto of somebody, and it's going to be a redemption. So if that happens, I'm sorry, but that's part of the reason why we got this box so cheap. These boxes used to be 50, 60 bucks. I think I got it for 35 or something. It was really not bad. 2012 is a pretty expensive year still. There's a couple of quarterbacks. I actually ended up getting a couple teams really hoping for a quarterback, so we'll see if anybody pops up here. Took the Bears out to random. There will be 4 on-card autos. Hopefully, no redemption. First guy is your typical 2012. I'm going to flip this up a little. There we go. Michael Agnew. Number 38 of 95. That is your typical guy you kind of don't want to see in 2012. I don't know if he ended up playing a bit for Miami. I think he did. But in comparison to all the other guys in 2012, that's a bust hit. He is going to the Dolphins, and Tyler, though, on the board with a hit. Miami Dolphins coming out to random. Tyler have just the Dolphins this one? Yeah, just the Dolphins. Okay, next card. Is a Courtney Upshaw for the Ravens out of 50. That I don't think is a bad one. I don't know exactly if he's done a ton. Courtney Upshaw, it's a nice auto. Still in the league. Now a Jet. Was on the Super Bowl team with the Falcons. That is going to the Ravens, which I think is Jesse again. Baltimore Ravens going to Jesse. Jesse with 2 nice hits. Next hit. Going to Ryan Lindley in the Cardinals out of 99. 8 out of 99. Nice red auto. And I think Lindley's also out of the league now, but he, I think, even got some starts. 8 out of 99 going to the Cardinals. Who's got the Cardinals? Matt getting the Cardinals. Arizona Cardinals. Going to Matt out of 99. Next card is by far the best hit of the box. I think I got it. I hope it's not a redemption. At this point, I will be very sad. Last auto is... Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a 1-of-1 Kirk Cousins, guys. Holy shit. I really think I got the Redskins. One sec, I'm trying to be super careful with this thing. Holy crap. I don't know how much that's even worth, guys. 1-of-1 Kirk Cousins. Please tell me I had the Redskins. I have the Redskins. Holy. It's like refractor-ish. Oh my God. Wow. That is one of the coolest cards I've ever pulled. I'm going to get a thing for it in a minute. Holy crap. Wow. I took a couple teams that are all 2012 based, hoping for a quarterback. I did not think that would happen. Wow. I gotta go open this 2015 box now, but I'm feeling pretty good about myself. That is a sick, sick hit, guys. Holy crap. That's one I might have to sell. I do not know. That is crazy. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. We got 2015 draft picks coming up. Who's excited about this box? It's actually a nice box. It's kind of the smallest hobby box I think you'll ever get. And it's moderately cheap. It's like $30 or under. And it's got 2 autos. And it's hobby. Like, it's legit. There's not a bigger set of this. So you can get anything in here. It's actually really nice to have this sort of stuff for the price. But man, Kirk Cousins. Yikes. Okay. I got rid of the Cardinals from the random. I did. Okay. Wow, guys. That is sick. I don't know what to expect here, so let's let's expect a nice... Oh, Clear Max 2014, isn't he? I think that's the base card. If so, that's a nice looking base card. Yeah, Nick Foles. Those are the base. We have a Dante Fowler die cut for the Jags. The fence is cut out with defense. That's cool. Trey Wayne's rookie card for the Vikes. And Saquez Golson rookie card. I like the look of these. They're actually pretty nice. Wow, 1 of 1. I saw the name and I got excited because I was pretty sure I had the Redskins, but okay, I'm going to open a couple of these packs. But I did not think it was anything near a 1 of 1. So far, obviously, that puts me in the driver's seat for this break. But Jesse's got Jordan Howard, Courtney Upshaw, a couple others already. Matt got a Ryan Lindley. J-Wag's got a Vernon Hargreaves. Michael Agnew for Tyler. And Devontae Booker, rookie for Ryan. So we're spreading all the rest out. Marshawn Lynch. Teddy Bridgewater. Got a Carson Palmer, cool looking card. It's like stained glass, I think they call them, or something. Carson Palmer in his college jersey. I'll figure out where the hell that's going. But it's a cool looking card. Hudson Matson for the Georgia Bulldogs. We got Bud Dupree going to the Steelers. Mike Wallace. Reggie Wayne. Brandon Bolden. Devonta Green Bay, rookie. Titus Davis, rookie. Philip Rivers. Okay, we got a first backwards card. Alex Smith. So this is going to be an auto, most likely. Ooh. Buck Allen's not a bad one. Autograph. Blue. Buck Allen. I believe he is a Raven. I see him in purple in my mind. That's a nice looking card. Blue. Not numbered. That's nice looking. I feel like he's a Raven, but I could be wrong. I feel like I see him in purple. Baltimore Ravens. 4th round draft pick. Going to Jesse. Baltimore Ravens already come off the random. That's a free hit. Jesse's really doing pretty good in here. Eric Armstead, rookie. Trey Flowers, Arkansas. Heard those two names. Tannehill. Ha! Ain't that a cool card? Antonio Gates in his basketball uniform at Kent State. That's really cool. Oh, here's a cool one. Darqueze Dennard. Draft picks. All-American insert. One of the Bengals. I think Derek has the Bengals. It's a cool insert though. Bengals. Just a rookie card, but a cool looking one. Going Derek. Ooh, David Johnson. Going to Matt. The Cardinals. Wow, 1 of 1 though. David Johnson. Going to Matt. Got Chris Conley, rookie card. Vincent Jackson. We have a sweet red, white, and blue Antonio Brown. That is really nice. You can see the colors in it. Going to Derek and the Steelers. Not a hit because it's... oh, it is numbered. Ooh, out of 25. 15 out of 25. I was going to say, it's got some serious color to it. I think you can even see that on camera. Yeah, going to Derek and the Steelers with a hit. Tevin Coleman. Rookie card. I like Tevin Coleman. He's largely underrated. He's going to the Falcons. I think that's Ryan. Ryan with the Falcons. Tevin Coleman rookie. Go with Devontae Booker. We got a Kevin White rookie and a Calvin Clay. Not a bad round. Numbered out of 25. Autograph Buck Allen, who we actually know. Again, this box, I really like it. I might have to get another one of these for the price for like 30 bucks. I mean, I think it's 28 or something. We already got one nice auto, a couple nice parallels, a number to 25. We got another auto coming. Ooh. Feels like a pack with nothing in it, this one. Maybe that's the auto pack. Well, nothing's going to be Kirk Cousins this big, but I don't know. I don't know how much that's worth. I will certainly have to look that up. Andre Williams, Cam Newton, Deshaun Jackson. It looks it's a little inserty. I don't know what it is. It's just kind of shiny, but nothing special. Juwan Edwards, Jordan James, rookies. Brandon Marshall, Demarius Thomas, autograph of Jake Waters. Woo! Rainbow out of 2 out of 49. I gotta say the colors in these, I've opened one of the 2016 versions of these too. They got some really nice colors. Jake Waters, Kansas State, looks like a quarterback out of 49. That's a cool looking card. Lots of colors. Unfortunately, I don't know who he is. Looks like he went up to this Jaguars, undrafted free agent out of 2015. He was released when they signed Jeff Toole. Signed by the Seahawks. Then signed by the Hamilton Tiger Cats and the Saskatchewan Roughriders. So originally went to the Jaguars. Jake Waters. Going to Derek. Jacksonville Jaguars. Coming off the random. Random's getting down to it. I mean, we started with, I had like 6 teams. So we started with like 26. There's going to be 3 spots. No, Ryan's got to have all his spots still, so he's got to have a bunch. E, I think, has all of his spots still. There's 19 total spots left in the random. We're going to hopefully have at least one more hit. Philip Dorsett, rookie for the Colts. Jackson Shipley, rookie. Hopefully one more nice card here. Julius Peppers, Earl Thomas. We have a Kevin White die cut rookie. That is going to go to the Bears. not numbered. Going to Jesse. Not going to count as a hit, but a nice one. Die cut. This is Derek. This is Derek. Giving them cards to the wrong guys. Gerald Christian. Kevin Parks. Julius Thomas. Jason Witten. Ooh, sick. Going to Ryan. Kevin Coleman, purple. That's got to be numbered pretty low. I'm thinking 25. Let me get it in a sleep. 99. On a 99, going to Falcons. Ryan with Kevin Coleman. These are my favorite cards. I forget if they call them like Lava Flow or something, but they're purple, and they are sick looking. You can't even really see how cool it is. That's maybe you could see, but awesome hit on a 99 going to Orion. Atlanta Falcons coming off the random. Ryan getting a real card. Nice. David Cobb. Lorenzo Maldini. I feel like he's actually pretty good. Keenan Allen. I think he was a Jet. Johnny Manziel. Aaron Rodgers. Shiny. Casey Pierce. Rookie. Rashad Green for the Jags. Larry Fitz. Come on, one more insert. Matt Forte. Shane Carden. Rookie. Brett Hundley. There you go. Pack. Marcus Peters. Rookie. Well, could not have lived up to the previous box. But certainly could have been worse. 2 autos were not great, I will say that. We got some rookies I will certainly put in sleeves because they're nice. They're thicker stock rookie cards. They're pretty nice. Let's do a quick recap before we give away the hit of the century, Kirk Cousins. 1 of 1. I'm gonna have to sell that thing. I don't think I can afford to keep that. Honestly, I don't. That's not a $100, $200, $300 card. I would be shocked. That's sick. Okay. Other than that, Matt. David Johnson rookie, Ryan Lindley, auto on a 99. Derek, Dante Fowler, defense insert. Sick Antonio Brown card, not gonna lie. Really cool, number 25. Jake Waters, also really cool looking card, auto. And Doug Quesdenard, rookie. J-Wags, Vernon Hargreaves III, auto for the Bucks. Tyler, Michael Agnew, rookie auto. And a Brandon Doty, rookie card. For Ryan, a sick looking Tevin Coleman at a 99. Tevin Coleman rookie. And a Devontae Booker rookie. And then other than me, well, that's literally, I think, the only card I've gotten in the break. Jesse won the break other than me. Kevin White. Followed by a Buck Allen autograph. Followed by a Courtney Upshaw rookie autograph to 99. And then a Jordan Howard jersey card. Nice set for Jesse. Okay, let us do the random. And then another random. I will put together a couple of these. Oh, shoot. Apologize for swearing early in the video. I don't swear much on these, but yeah, feel like when you get a card that's over 50 bucks. True Breeze was my last one. Okay, pack those guys up. This is also my last production off of Ustream. I've been using them for 3-4 years now, I think. They got bought out by IBM, and they are moving up to expensive stuff now. I believe what I'm going to do is Facebook Live. I'm probably going to start my own Facebook group. Do Facebook Live with that group. But okay, in the random we have the Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Browns, Broncos, Lions, Packers, Chiefs, Vikings, Patriots, Saints, Giants, Raiders, Eagles, Rams, Chargers, 49ers, Titans. I'm going to randomize it. I'll show it in a second. 3 times in the top 3 spots. Get your hits. Blue screen. Okay, you should be able to see all the way down to almost the bottom. Okay, here we go. 3 times. Randomized once. 49ers on top. Randomized twice. Rams on top. Randomized 3 times. Chargers, Chiefs, Titans are your 3 picks. Chargers, Chiefs, Titans. Oh, I should have left it. I gotta do another one. Chargers are going to Derek. Chiefs are going to J-Wags. Titans are going to Ishan. Okay, so we got Derek, J-Wags, Ishan. 10 packs are made up of Tyler, Matt, Derek, J-Wags, Josh, Matt, Ishan, Derek, J-Wags, Ishan are your 10 packs. So those are now going to go into random.org for the draft order. So, again, how this works is first pick will give me a pack number. I will make sure I take a picture of all the packs so that everybody's happy. Make sure you can see it again. You'll get a pack number. First pick, you will get to open up any number you want. I will send you a corresponding picture to what is in that pack. You will get to decide to keep that or pick a second pack. If you pick the second pack, you are stuck with it. And the other pack sticks there open for whoever wants it to pick second. So let's say somebody gets, we'll say, an AJ Green game used jersey. And they decide, you know what? I don't want it. I'm going to go for the triple with Jerry Rice in it. And so he gives it back, and he picks a card, and it's a crap card. Now, there's not too many crap cards, but let's say it's worse than an AJ Green game used jersey. He is stuck with it. Now, whoever has the second pick can pick that AJ Green jersey. Or they can pick into the packs, and they will get stuck with whatever they want. So it really could feed off of itself to see whatever somebody's likes are and dislikes. So there's, I would say, 3 very good packs in here for the price, and then there's 3 or 4 other ones that are also pretty good. So we will do the order 3 times. Random 1, Ishan on top. Random 2, Matt on top. Round 3, Derek on top, followed by Tyler, Ishan, J-Wags, Matt, J-Wags, Josh, Derek. Derek's got the bookend picks. Ishan with 2 in a row there. That is an interesting spot to be in because you kind of get to pick and then you get to not really worry about what you're missing if you go to the pack because you get another pick. Derek, Tyler, Ishan, J-Wags, Matt, J-Wags, Josh, Derek. Though that is your order. Derek's got the bookends. Tyler with pick 2, Ishan 3 and 4. J-Wags and Matt with 6 and 7 as well. There's almost no advantage being 3 and 4 versus 6 and 7 unless somebody gets all the good ones right off the bat. So I will be bringing those cards into work as well, or getting them ready to ship to whoever gets them. Hit of the break because of maybe my life. I don't know if my life, but Kirk Cousins 1 of 1. Gotta get it packed up. I gotta see if I can see what the hell that's worth. But dang. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. I'll get these out.